Alright, the '09 Avalanche. Customize its interior. Door panels. Custom console. Install the radio. Pioneer. The Wi-Fi. Alright, we got tablets in the headrest. We got the Samsung tablet in the back. All that just can like mirror to each other. Plus the radio got mirror capability, so everything can communicate back and forth. This is what we got going though. Cup holder remote. Console lights.
Talking back, I beat your ass and bought you that. You stole it, I beat your ass if you say that game is broken. I beat your ass if you jump on my couch. I beat your ass if you walk in this house with tears in your eyes, running from Underglow apprentice. Go back outside, I beat your ass, little nigga. That order better be finished. I beat your ass. Your teachers better not be bitching about you in class. That piece of better not be wasted. You eat it all. The TV better not be loud if you got it on. Them Jordans better not get dirty when I just bought them. Better not hear about you humping on Keisha's daughter. Better not hear you got caught up.